Good day, Doc. Good day, classmates. I am Merliza and my topic for today is Environmental Education Curriculum, designing curricula focused on environmental awareness and sustainability. Amidst the dynamics of an increasingly complex global environmental change, humanity is faced with significant challenges in maintaining the sustainability of the Earth's ecosystem. Issues such as climate change, biodiversity loss, and environmental degradation are the primary focus for the international community. In this context, education plays a vital role as the key to shaping a deep understanding of the human impact on the environment and the solutions that can be applied. What is environmental education curriculum? Environmental education curriculum is a subject-specific curriculum that focuses on teaching students about environmental issues, sustainability, and the importance of protecting the environment. It covers topics such as climate change, biodiversity, natural resource management, waste management, and renewable energy. The curriculum is designed to help students develop an understanding of environmental concepts and practices, as well as the skills needed to address environmental challenges in their daily lives. It often includes hands-on learning activities, field trips, and community projects to engage students and encourage active participation in environmental conservation efforts. Environmental education enables individuals to delve into environmental concerns, tackle problem solving, and take steps to enhance the environment. Through this process, individuals gain a more profound comprehension of environmental issues and acquire the abilities to make informed and conscientious choices. Environmental education curriculum analyzes the present status of environmental education, synthesizes a statement as to the character of current curricula and materials development efforts, and presents strategies and guidelines for curriculum and materials. Sequence of environmental education curriculum. Understand ecological systems. Understand the cause and effect relationship between human attitudes and behavior and the environment. Be able to evaluate alternative responses to environmental issues before deciding on alternative courses of action, and understand the effects of multiple uses of the environment. There are components of environmental education. First, awareness and sensitivity to the environment and environmental challenges. It helps individuals understand and value the importance of environment, its biodiversity, and the interconnectedness of all living things. Number two, knowledge and understanding of the environment and environmental challenges. It aims to provide individuals with scientific knowledge and understanding of environmental problems or challenges. Number three, attitudes of concern for the environment and motivation to improve or maintain environmental qualities. It seeks to foster positive attitudes and values towards the environment, emphasizing the need for sustainable and responsible behavior. And lastly, skills to identify and help resolve environmental challenges. It focuses on developing practical skills that enable individuals to make informed choices and action to address environmental issues, and the skills needed are problem solving skills, critical thinking skills, and communication skills. Let us all remember that environmental education curriculum aims to empower students to become stewards of the environment, inspiring them to take action to protect and preserve the natural world for future generations. That's all for my report. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for listening and have a good day.